Guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can see your grades and how you can know what they mean. So whenever I've graded something, I'll release them, and then you should be able to see under grades, there'll be a little number that shows you that you have a new grade. And scroll down to the assignment that's flagged here. If you can't see the answers, let me know. I may have just forgotten to release them, but you should be able to see them once I've graded everything. So just a couple things I want to talk about. The first thing is the total score here, right? So that's going to be counting all of the points, including the points that I've given back for certain questions. So for example, this question is worth 1 point, and I've given the person 1 point here, right? If you have something like this where it marks you wrong, but it's clearly something similar to one of the answers that I was asking for, I'll give you credit back, right? So instead of getting half points for that problem, you got 1 point, showing that I gave you full credit even though Canvas has marked you wrong, right? So please always check that. If you see that the answer is incorrect, but it looks similar to one of the other answers, or it's very, very close, then please check the number of points, because chances are you've gotten full marks. And the last thing that I want to show you is, so if you lost points for something, right? Like in this problem, you would see that there was 1 out of 2 points, right? That means that you lost a point for something. And if I left comments like this, right? This can tell you what you might have lost points for, or I might answer any questions you have, right? So here, this was asking for a response. What advice would you give students who want to succeed in your course? If you keep up with the homework and the lectures and ask questions when you don't understand something, you will do well, right? So that's the kind of comments that you might see. I might also put comments over here in this side column. So just make sure you're keeping an eye out for both of those things, because that'll tell you uh, what you might have gotten wrong, right? So if you have questions, please let me know. But that should hopefully answer some of your questions about how to interpret your grades here. Sometimes it'll say that an assignment was late. There's no automatic deduction points for that. So unless I told you that you lost points for that, you didn't. Okay?